How to erase all duplicate photos on your iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can erase all your duplicate photos on your iPhone. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. Now let us begin. So the first step is head over to your photos. Now here, if you find multiple photos and multiple videos that are duplicate and you want to delete them, first things you can do is you can go through it manually, but that will take time if you have a lot of duplicate photos. Now there is an option that we can take, and that is a duplicate feature that is on the utility section on your photos. So scroll down till you find the utility section, and there you should find duplicates. Tap on duplicates. After you tap on duplicates, you should see different duplicates of many pictures here. What you can do is you can simply tap on merge for each and every one and tap on merge to exact copies. Now as it says right here that the selected items are exact copies that may have different metadata. Now merging will keep one version of the duplicates that combine relevant data and move the rest to recently deleted. Now all you need to do is simply merge photos and you're good to go. So you can even select all of these here and then you can decide them to merge, and it's that simple. That is basically like deleting one photos of the duplicates, and that is how you can erase duplicate photos from your iPhone. And that is all for the video. Thanks for watching guys, stay tuned for more, and bye bye.